This is my playback tech. 2018 Home Sound Playback Tech. Ultimate Ears Boom 2 Bluetooth speaker. This is one of the best Bluetooth speakers on the market, if not the best. Of course, there is the UE Mega Boom, that to me doesn't count as a real portable speaker anymore, because it's just a whole lot better. The sound is just great. You can almost use it as your main hi-fi system, if you don't have a hi-fi system already, or just use it as one in a room without. The fact that it's water and fireproof just reassures me, thinking that this is definitely worth the high price tag. But I'm not gonna lie to you, I didn't get it for the full price. It used to cost about $150, especially this color, and I got it for like $70 or $80 on Amazon Prime Day. Otherwise, I wouldn't have bought it. Small disclaimer, there's already a newer version out right now. Anker Soundcore Bluetooth speaker with 24-hour playtime, 66-foot Bluetooth range, built-in mic, dual driver, portable wireless speaker. Got this one also on Amazon as an offer. Was around $30. First of all, got this before the UE Boom 2, so when testing it the first time, I was really surprised because I just didn't believe that a speaker this size could sound this good. Battery life is also amazing. They claim playing time of 24 hours. Never tested this out, but it does certainly hold a charge very long. And the fact that it wasn't that expensive also allows you to take it everywhere, cause the risk of a potential damage or loss isn't that big. Compared to the UE Boom 2, it then again sounds almost like crap, but the Boom's price tag is almost 5 times as high, so you can't quite compare them, because they operate on a different level, not only price-wise. But don't get me wrong, it is on its own a very, very good sounding speaker. There is a newer version, which is also waterproof and has some other improvements as well. It's the Anker Soundcore 2, but it's almost double the price. Ularmor audio splitter 3.5mm. This is the simplest way to combine all your audio sources without buying expensive gear. It doesn't matter if the cables plugged into this give input or are connected to a speaker. Possibly either way. You lose sound quality and amplitude, but you gain a way to combine 5 inputs to one speaker. So there's a second one, a blue one, and I got 3, so a green one. AITA Bluetooth headphones on ear. These aren't the exact ones I own, but they are very, very similar, just a different color. Seems to be the same Chinese manufacturer off of Alibaba. Good, quite robust, although I had to fix them after using them for 1 year, but that usually happens with all my on-ear Bluetooth headphones. Battery life used to be 5 or 6 hours, now it's 2 to 3, which sucks. But I have had them for 2 to 3 years. I actually got rid of them because the battery still got worse and worse, and yeah, I couldn't use them anymore. Philips Bluetooth headphones. SHB 8000BK. I used to love these headphones. I used them couple hours a day and took them everywhere. So eventually it got a loose connection on the right side. Got my money back and bought a new one. Used it quite some time, same story. Now it's lying around with no use at all. Appears that the design is just flawed. The design was the main reason I bought it. Just looks so retro. Another nice feature is that once the headphones run out of battery, you can plug in your phone via an aux cable, which is included.